So, Michelle, Jules, and I are at the airport right now. Here are our passes. Julia's in the bathroom. Michelle is charging her phone over there. You probably can't see her. And here's all our stuff. And we board in about 40 minutes. We'll see you guys when we're on the plane. Trying to stay awake for the first half of the flight and then go to sleep at the end, but we might not make it. Okay, bye. We're at my grandparents' house right now. It is 9:13. It's really hot. Jules is showering. Michelle and I are sitting on the couch. But we're going out to lunch with my grandpa's older sister and her husband. And then we're going to go to the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. At least we're planning to. Taipei 101, Elephant Mountain, and maybe a night market. And I'm trying really hard not to fall asleep. Because even though I slept like a good amount on the plane, I like feel like my body is still in Eastern Standard Time, so like I feel it.
Change of weather, a change of heart, a change of what you thought was my part in your life, in your life.
Oh my god, it's so hard to vlog. Oh my god, these are so cute. I don't even know what I'm looking for, but it's so fun to look around.
But it's not right, yeah. 'Cause you were always who I turn to, but you make me feel I'm the bad guy now. I'm the one to blame somehow. Yours, oh, yours, but now I thought that I could rely on you. I thought that I could rely on you.
Oh my god, these are big.
I feel a chill now, try to pretend, but I don't know this ghost of a friend I once had.
Oh my god! So our first lantern was a fail because it burnt through the paper, and then some of the ends of my hair got burnt, so now they're curled and stuff. I don't know if you can tell. And then my eyelashes burnt off too, a little.
I never thought that I could crumble like this, but I've been searching for the words to tell you.
How do you guys feel? Oh my god, the sun's out now, again.
Please, God, go away. Please rain.
If it rains, it's just gonna be even more humid out.
I'm breaking down, 'cause I only ever wanted to be
There's another one right there.
yours. Oh,
So cute.
yours. I thought that I could rely on you.
I don't think. I feel like it's just gonna taste like chicken.
他已经把骨头弄掉了。
Yummy.
Tastes like chicken. Oh my god.
It's like nothing.
没有味道。
没有味道。
对啊，可是它会很好。
There's some parts she did that are like brighter purple. Do you see? My hair is so soft.
Looks so good.
Thank you.